Hey friends, welcome back to the Vloguary, and I just wanted to intro this. If you happen to be new here, my name is Paige Poppe. I'm an artist. Welcome to my studio and here on my channel. Welcome to my creative world where I bring you along with the art I create and other fun things. I wanted to welcome anyone that was new, and also I have kind of a reoccurring problem where I forget to intro and outro the vlogs because I kind of film stream of consciousness and pick up the camera whenever something interesting is going on. So just wanted to intro this and we are jumping right into it. Good morning. Happy Monday. Okay, you know what? I don't like the lighting over here. Let's try this again. Good morning. Happy Monday. So this is my last full week in Minneapolis before I go back to Arizona. I have a project Monday night in Arizona that I need to be there for, so I'll probably go back on the weekend and prep for that and then do the project. It's a live painting project, and the timing works out so great because next Saturday is Phoenix Fleet, and I usually need about 1 week to prepare for it. And Phoenix Fleet, if you don't know, is a biannual event in downtown Phoenix, and this is gonna be like my maybe 9th time doing it. I need to go back and count. The week leading up to it, I'll be packaging product and getting everything ready along with doing my client work. I usually try to have a little bit less going on just so I can focus on Fleet, but I will focus on whatever projects need my attention. And then it's Phoenix Fleet, and then the following week I am painting another mural at the Arizona Girl Scout camp. So I'm really excited about that. I have 4 days blocked off to paint that, and already so much has happened since 2019 started. Today's February 18th, so in a month and a half I can't believe the amount of work I've created and projects. Not saying that like, oh my god, I'm so great. It's almost been like, holy cow, how did I pull this off? I don't really know. It's been a lot of really great projects, but Phoenix Fleet and this mural are kind of like my two first big things for the new year, so that will be really cool, along with this live painting, but that wasn't something I was planning. It just kind of popped up. I thought I would start off the vlog today fresh on a Monday. It's actually President's Day, a holiday, and Jake and I didn't even know that until yesterday. While we're here, before I get into my work, this is like an ongoing thing. I'm always trying to make the vlogs as visually interesting as possible. For example, I always talk about, oh, I'm gonna be working on like more creative things this week, and my whole motivation for making them more creative is because that equals more visuals, so there's more interesting things for you guys to look at than just me talking all the time. But you know, it's a flow, so I try to do my best. But on that note, I thought I would show you something fun. So I have this framed print of mine, and you guys have seen a couple vlogs ago my Vibrant Minnesota sticker, and this is my Vibrant Minnesota art print, and then I have a greeting card. So I have those three. So anyway, I'm seeing my cousin this week, the one whose wedding stationery I'm designing. She asked me to create this for her school, so I got it printed at 16 by 20, and then I popped it in this frame. I love the detail in this frame, so I'll pop that over here. I'm gonna jump into my work. I gotta clean the table off so I can focus. To be totally transparent, I am not like vibing with this studio room very much right now. It just keeps getting like messy all the time, and I am in need of some more organization, and I will do some simple things to make it better. But of course, being me, I really want to do like a full makeover of it and like paint the walls white and have like matching storage for everything and like rearrange it all and maybe get some different tables. I don't know, I really want to go all out, but I'm thinking that when I have the time and space to do that will be maybe like April or May. I don't know, but I guess all that to say that you don't have to be in the most inspiring places to make art. I have found that I actually can like do some of my best work like sitting on a couch or like in a coffee shop, and even surrounded by a little bit of chaos. All right, I am breaking for lunch, and I've really been making an effort to have like an actual lunch break lately. Sometimes I'll work through like and not even realize I'm hungry, or I'll eat at like weird times. I think I ate lunch at like 2 yesterday, but right now it's noon, so I'm on a good schedule today. And this is a pretty standard lunch for me, and it's actually kind of like a variation of what I showed you guys the other day. but I love just having eggs, a salad, and then some more protein in my favorite Chipotle sticks. And then I always keep the salad super simple. If I have tomatoes, I just throw those on there with some balsamic dressing. But today I added some extra chia seeds as well. Okay, post lunch, I had a little fun idea. Basically, whenever I have my hair and makeup done and I like what I'm wearing, I try to shoot some content because I always have art photos to share, but photos of myself, I don't always have new ones. And I like to share a photo of myself every few photos on my feed because I am a personal brand and my business is under my name. So it's good to show up and have my face there and be able to have people connect with me. So right now, I pull this painting up here and I am going to shoot in front of it. All right, rearranging, and one top knot later, I got some good shots, and I think I got a variety too, because I never want to do that and then just end up with like one good picture. I always want like different poses and, you know, content, baby content. I watch too much YouTube. And shooting images is probably one of my favorite things to do. I honestly wish, the only thing I wish is like I could shoot the picture myself, you know. It just kind of sucks to have a self timer sometimes, but make it work. Okay, remember yesterday when I said I was gonna clean this desk off? I actually never did because I can work pretty well in the chaos, but I have some painting to do.
We were in high school, I met her through one of my friends. Pretty little thing, the boys all bet that they could win. I made her my girlfriend, I threw away all of my plans. She was infatuating, I was only stupid then. Driving my baby around in my broke down Corvette.
Okay, I've had so many outfit changes today because I shot so many different kinds of photos. So new look again, but same day. Earlier, I worked on the book cover design that you guys have been seeing. And I also sent off wedding stationery designs for my client who I'm doing the New Orleans themed stationery for. So you're seeing that, and that's coming together really fun. And now I'm off to the gym. I'm keeping on my roll because last night I went during The Bachelor, and so I got there at 7 when it started, and I did 2 hours of cardio, which was one of the best ideas I've ever had, if I do say so myself, because I didn't want to leave and miss the show, so I just kept going and going. That was kind of my plan, and it worked. And now I'll go today and probably do arms. When I'm done, I do have another wedding stationery design to work on, which I could do now, but I'm just feeling like I want to go before it's dark out and just have a little change of pace, move my body, and then come back to working. All right, now you know I didn't film an outro, of course. So here I am. I wanted to pop in and say thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in next week's Vloguary episode, which I'm already editing. And in the meantime, if you are wanting to see more from me than just once a week, I'd love to see you over on my Instagram. My username is @Paige Poppe, same way it's spelled here on my channel. And I do Instagram story every day, which is like micro vlogging in my opinion, and you can see in even more real time what I'm working on and new updates from me. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, hit the like button. You've got a button to hit no matter what you are. So thanks again for watching, guys. Until my next one, I'm sending all of my positive and creative vibes your way, and I will see you then. Bye.